Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. In this video we're going to have a look at the Trackr Pixel. It's a way of tracking your devices or your things so they don't get lost. I've used things with things like Tile before, so I thought I'd have a look at what the difference is with these. So this is a 3-pack, costs about $29, and let's have a look what's included in the pack. So you've got your 3 things that you attach to your 3 trackers that you want to attach to your devices, so you can attach your keys or your bag or your purse or your wallet or something like that. It's got replaceable batteries. I know other devices I've used require you to buy new devices instead of swapping batteries, so these are quite good that these can be replaced. So I've already installed the app on my phone, the Trackr app, so let's have a look at the devices. So there's the device, it's a very tiny little thing. So how do we now pair that with our phone? So I can go to my phone, add a device. I want to add a Trackr Pixel, that's that one. And we'll call that keys. So press the power button on the bottom of your device, so it's there. Then press next. It's searching for the device now. That's paired up. Done, and we'll enable the history on that. And there we go, that's that device done. So let's search for it. There you are, I can search for it and ring it. And the thing that this does is it shows you where the item history is, so you can see where it is on the map. So let's say that you lose this, and let's say it's connected to your keys and you lose your keys. You can see where you last were when your phone was next to your device. So if you left at your friend's house, you would see on the map the Trackr device showing at your friend's house, so you know that's where you last were in contact together. And that's as simple as it is. Just tracked it with keys and it's job done. $29. You've got 3 different ones on this one. You can buy them in singles and 5s, and it's a great way of tracking your keys. So now I've got this set up, I'm going to do some history with it, and then we'll come back and continue with the video. Yeah, now I've got this set up, I want to show you what you can do with it. So I've set 2 up, one for keys and one for wallet. First, I would say as well, I did try putting this in my wallet, and the wallet shut tightly, triggered the button. So you press this button, it rings your phone. Even if your phone's on silent, all the sound turned down, so if this accidentally presses in your wallet, it's going to start pinging your phone, which I think is a bit of a problem really. Squash down in the wallet, it was keep ringing my phone all the time. I could do with a turn off button for that audio activation. If it's running like it does on the keys, like this, then it's fine. You don't really press it by accident. So let's say I want to find my wallet. I hit the button, and there you can hear it and see it. It's got like a blue light on it, so you know you can find it. Great, so I can find wallet. But what you can do is you can say, let's put these alerts on. Separation, so ring your phone when it gets separated, ring your device when they get separated. So you can say when these split up, you make it ring. So if you leave your wallet behind, that's what happens. So what I'll do, I'm just going to put the phone down now. I'll go and put this out of Bluetooth range, so I have to go to another room to do that. Now you can hear that alarm there. That's because I've took the wallet out of the wallet center out of Bluetooth range. So now I can try and find that. So I've got item history. So if I look on the map here, I can actually see where it is. So I can see it's not too far from where I currently am. But if I'd left it behind, if I open it with maps or whatever, you can get directions. So if I've lost it, I can see that it was last here. This is the last time it communicated with my phone. So that's the last place I was. If I go back to my other device, my keys, I know they're here, so if I wanted to find them I can do the start searching and I can say I found them there. So in the settings here you can have a silent mode so you don't get that audio alert when they get separated. You can also have Wi-Fi safe zones. What this means is that you won't get separation alert when you're in this zone. So let's say, and it's showing tons of Wi-Fi's here that I've memorised on this phone. So this one called Bunker. If I run there, if my phone's on the Wi-Fi of the Bunker, I won't get separation alerts. So if you leave your keys on the first floor and you go down to the basement, it won't then alert you because you're on that safe zone. So, and you can choose which zones you want. So quite a good idea really, so you don't get those separations alerts when you're at home or maybe at work or something like that. But then if you're out and about, you will get the alert when you leave your keys behind or your wallet behind, or your wallet gets separated from your phone. So I've had a couple of false positives, not many though. So a really handy little feature. So the other thing that they've got is crowd alerting. So let me show you. So this is other people using the Trackr app. So if somebody else is using the Trackr app and it pings your Bluetooth device, then that will help you locate it. So maybe someone's stolen your wallet, but then they walk past somebody with the Trackr app. I think that should then update its location as well. So a really nice little device. You've got a battery is replaceable. You can order the batteries directly from Trackr, and I tried this before just to see it would happen, and it said that they weren't even going to charge for that, which is pretty good. But it's really good at finding your keys. So if I wanted to find those now, I can keep wandering around, go to that location, and then once it gets within Bluetooth distance, I can use the start searching thing to actually locate where I've left my keys. So a very handy function. So if you left your keys somewhere, you'll be able to see exactly where they were and when you got separated from them. So I think it's a really good system. It's very handy. Like I said, the only issue I've had with it is when I put it in my wallet, it was pressing the search button by holding it, because it was holding the whole thing down, which was driving me mad because it was then doing that audio alert. Although this doesn't seem to be doing it now. Let's try it. There you go. So I don't want that feature, but you know, it's part of the system. But for keys it works fine. I haven't accidentally pressed it. So there you go. Trackr, great little system, works really well, and I've been pretty impressed with that. You can find out more on thedigitalifestyle.com. I've got all the pricing details, and on our YouTube channel, and at ISDixon on Twitter.